Hi, hello guys. This morning, taking my drink, my ginger lemon drink. I love it so much, and this is my drink. And this drink, it has lemon, it has ginger, fresh ginger, and it also has honey, as you can see here. And this is the drink, as you can see it. I love taking this drink very early in the morning before I take my breakfast. It is best for digestion, and it also best for coughs, and it also relieves the throat when you feel like it is cracking. It is a very nice drink. Kindly, you can do this at home, and I urge you, my friends, to subscribe my YouTube. Watch my video.